Haha, what's up, weirdos? Good morning. After a little bit of a leggy day yesterday, was a little groggy and stuff, tired, so didn't get as much content out, but today we are back, baby. Mixed bag in the market. Things are looking good, guys. Listen, I know there's a tiny bit of red. There's a hint of red, not even much red, but a little tiny bit. But my portfolio is at a new all-time high again today. I'm sure most of yours are as well. If you're buying the right projects, if you're not buying the right projects, then you need to get over to the Patreon because we can help you structure your portfolio. Because every day for the last, 5 days, my portfolio has been at a new all-time high. Hopefully yours has been too. We got some things to talk about, guys. We got Jasmine and PlayStation confirmed. We're going to show you, guys. We're going to show you. We got French Hill talking. We got the fries that'll cross your eyes. Let's get into it, guys. Big things going on. We're going to look at the Bitcoin chart. Jasmine up 1.1 on the day, 31% on the week, 38% on the month, but down 43 on the year. We're even in rank at 94. $831 million market cap and 78 million in volume. Swift Coin down 1.1 on the day, up 29.5 on the week, 17.8 on the month, and 205% on the year. Down 9 spots in rank to 297, $136 million market cap, and 2.20 million in volume. Onyx Coin, XDN, up 1.5 on the day, up 37% on the week, 37% on the month, and 1,088% on the year. We're up 2 spots in rank to 107, $655 million market cap, and 41 million in volume. ZBET continuing its little correction here, down 8 on the day, 12.5 on the week, 29 on the month, but up 166% on the year, down 14 spots in rank to 199, $257 million market cap, and 29 million in volume. Across the market, though, guys, everything else is looking pretty good. XRP's up 8.3% on the day. Supra's having a correction after a big run. Virtuals, AIOZ, Corium, Not, our Alchemy Pay, Ondo, Songbird, Toshi's looking good. Cardano's looking good. Superverse, Doge, Flare. Near a lot of good things happening today in the markets, guys. You love to see it. You love to see it. That next big break to the upside, though, see, right now, this is called the melt-up phase. Everything's still just kind of melting up little by little every single day. We're waiting for that big kaboom to the upside, right? But I'm fine continuing to melt our way up before the big boom, because the higher we are when the boom happens, obviously, the higher we can go, right? Potential, baby. Potential. All right, let's go look at the Bitcoin chart. All right, so my thesis, a little bit of a bull pennant that I've put up on here, and we're sticking to it so far. We are sticking to it. Can Bitcoin break out of this bull pennant today to the upside? We need to smash above 124,000, this range right here. I think 25,000 is going to be another psychological level once we break through 120,000. Because obviously 120,000 we've rejected off of now. Pretty close there. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. Can we get up there and touch it again today? I don't think we'll close there, but I think what we could do is close where we are right now, around 118,772 in that range, and maybe with a good close like that, we could start the next daily candle this evening, and maybe we can break above that $120,000 level, confirming the breakout on the bull pennant. If this bull pennant does play out, you would be looking at a move of about, we would be up around $130,000 on the breakout. So we'll see if it happens, guys. Remain bullish, obviously, me. I'm going to be continuing to DCA today. There's a couple altcoins that I'm not red on much in my portfolio, but the odd coin I am down on, I'm probably going to DCA and build up my positions, right? If you want to know what I'm doing with my portfolio and what projects I'm getting into and what projects I'm getting out of, get over to the Patreon, guys. The link is in the chat. It's in the pinned comments. It's in the description. And I just realized I'm not live. There is no pinned comments. Anyway, all right, let's see what we got here. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor. Big thank you to Decent Biometric Wallets. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Get yourself the 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallets simply by using our link down below. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Okay. So what do we got? What do we got? New CNBC reports the House advances the crypto bill after securing a guarantee that the CBDC ban will be included. So this was the big problem.
Good morning, Frank. Well, yeah, there was that breakthrough last night after that record-setting 9-hour standoff on the House floor. But now key crypto bills, they've cleared their final hurdle before they can actually get to passage. So what happened was about a dozen some hardliner members, they did vote to advance the bills after getting a guarantee that a ban on a central bank digital currency, that provision would be included in must-pass legislation that's going to come up later this year. This puts Crypto Week potentially back on track, setting the stage for potential votes as early as today on long-awaited legislation that the crypto industry's been pushing for. Congressman Andy Harris, he's the chair of the House Freedom Caucus and was one of the holdouts. He said the agreement was a significant win for the American people, as a government-controlled digital currency poses a direct threat to financial privacy and economic freedom. Again, the House is going to start voting. It could be as soon as this afternoon, it looks like, on some of these bills. But Frank, as you kind of noted, they're going to be competing for floor time with that package to greenlight $9 billion in Doge cuts that's passed the Senate early this morning and has that Friday deadline. Plus, they're trying to get other government funding bills done. So we're going to see a lot of action in the House over the next 2 days. And there's already questions whether some of those crypto bills might get bumped to next week. But we do know that when we do expect to see the vote, we are anticipating that the two big ones will be bipartisan. Frank?
How you going to bump a crypto bill to the week after crypto week? That ain't right. All right, let's get into the Janction stuff, guys. Check this out. They have revamped their website, looking slick. This is what a blockchain website should look like. Finally, right? They've upgraded it. It looks fantastic. I remember Jesse had a real issue with their website for a long time, and rightfully so. I agree. Now they have an actual slick-looking blockchain website. GPU market for verifiable, synergetic, and scalable AI. So they're marketing out right now. Companies can have the ability to rent their GPU processing power, right? That's the primary objective of Janction, or one of their primary objectives, is to supply cheap and readily, easily available, I'm tongue-tied this morning, GPU processing power for companies like Web3 gaming companies, AI companies, AI agent companies, graphic designers, all that kind of stuff, right? They need GPU processing power. And this is how they're going to onboard a lot of companies into Janction's ecosystem, right? By providing this. So here, like it says, how to deploy your node. You can click here, how to deploy your node. Ask Smart Janction. So they have an AI you can ask. You can rent out your processing power, right? So you can provide for passive income your processing power to the processing power cloud GPU processing. Now we're going to talk about it, okay? So you can ask Smart Janction about it. How do you do it? Provide right here down here. You can provide GPU processing power. Get started. Download the Janction app. Okay. Right now I have it pinned on United States English. Why choose Janction? So this is just kind of marketing to people to rent out their processing power, right? Which is not going to be difficult to do. The AI decentralized hub, a data service network compatible with various data sources, more updates. So product series, here's where it gets good, guys. Product series. As we scroll down the list, we see the available units and where they are for processing, where they're coming from for processing power. They have right now 24 NVIDIA RTX 3090, right? 24 here, as you can see, coming from Tokyo. I don't know what CUDA cores means, but there you go. And how much it costs? 70 cents an hour. 70 cents, right? Really, really cheap compared to other companies, guys, right? The NVIDIA A100 from Osaka, they have 40, $2.50 an hour, right? NVIDIA RTX, you get the point, right? You get the point. It's just giving you the different sources of GPU processing power that people can rent from, how much it costs. And you might be sitting there right now going, well, why do we care about that, Rob? Because, pow, what do we have down here at the bottom? PlayStation 5 GPU. 10 so far connected, 45 cents an hour. Confirmed, my friends, people are officially using their PlayStation 5 GPU processing power to contribute to the GPU processing power of Janction's cloud, making passive income, right? Now, I'm not sure, transparent hourly billing. Okay, yeah, hourly billing. Okay, so there you go. So yes, earn passive income, guys, confirmed with Janction and PlayStation. Decoupling pipelines and proof, how it works, blah, blah, blah. You can go in and check out the details of it if you would like. Slick website, guys. On-chain premise, Janction H100 versus on-chain premises. Yeah, see, look at the average is being charged right now. What they're making, 3.3 dollars an hour. I'm trying to understand how this is being charged. Unbeatable cost. Oh, okay, so they're showing how cheap they are versus how expensive it is to rent elsewhere for processing power, right? Look how much cheaper they are. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Anyway, guys, I wanted to show that to you. Confirmed, you can officially use your PlayStation 5 to contribute. Check it out for yourselves today, guys. Make sure you're getting your links from a reliable source. You know what? I'll put the link in the description of the video if you want to go check it out for yourself. So yeah, now listen, guys, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help you navigate this space and get out of it with your profits intact. We do one-on-one coaching calls over there. We do group coaching calls over there. You can book yourselves into them. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member. So check that out, guys. Get all of the education and the tools that you need to succeed in this space, whether it's how to structure your portfolio, how to design exit price points for your crypto and make sure you're getting out before everybody else. You have to know how to identify where liquidity is in the market so your sell orders fill. If you do not know how to do that, then you're just throwing darts in the dark, blindfolded, right? You have to know how to do this. Make sure you're investing in your education here, guys. Listen, why would you spend years through this cycle, even if you've only been here for a year or two, and you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting for this peak, this where you can take profits, and then you half-ass it at the end, right? And then you end up holding your altcoins for 4 more years till the next bull run because you didn't do the easiest thing out of everything and get somebody to teach you how to exit the market properly, right? It's not as easy as you think that it is. I promise you that, guys. And I really am going to hate to see the amount of people that are not going to get educated and are going to end up complaining after it's all said and done that their sell orders didn't fill, that it's a scam and all this kind of stuff. They'll blame the exchanges and all this, when really what it boils down to is you need to educate yourself. And I hate using that term, but you do. You need to get educated if you want to succeed in this space, right? People who do it lazy, people who try to just mumble and bumble their way through the market and figure that everything will just work out roses for them. It's not going to work, guys, right? You're going to end up holding your bags for 4 more years. So don't do that to yourselves. Get over to the Patreon. We will help you design an exit strategy and exit price points for your altcoins and help you identify where liquidity is in the market so that your orders will actually fill and you can get out of this space with your profits intact. Guys, statistically, 90 to 95% of new people in crypto either break even or do not make money because pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. Greed steps in. You end up holding too long because you don't know what you're doing. You listened to some YouTuber who told you that super cycle was going to be 2026 and you played yourself. Don't let this happen to yourselves, guys. You've waited this long to make your profits. Don't screw it up. Don't run a race with an untied shoelace and then trip over your own shoelace at the end of the race before crossing the finish line. Don't do that to yourselves, guys. Get over to the Patreon. We're live every day, educational content, micro cap gems, daily altcoin picks, passive income to help you quit your 9 to 5, and so much more, guys. Get the education. Help me help you. Get the tools that you need to succeed in this space. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.